Hello Internet people, my name is Joe Wilson and I'm going to quickly demo the Dota 2 shader for Marmoset Toolbag 2, which we're very excited to show off. Start by clicking the Preset Material drop-down and adding a Dota 2 template material. Then drag the newly created material onto the appropriate mesh trunk. Now you can enter the hero-specific material settings such as specular exponent, specular scale, and rim light scale, which can be found by opening the VMT file for your character in a text editor. We plan to add VMT file importing as well, which will simplify this process. You can also set up the Dota 2 shader manually by changing the Albedo shader module to Dota color and the reflectivity module to Dota specular. Additionally, you can mix and match the Dota shader with other shader models, such as the skin shader, the anisotropic shader, as well as adding the tessellation, displacement, and parallax functions. When you're finished entering material values into the shader, you can begin loading the actual texture maps. First, load the normal map into the normal map slot of the surface module. Next, load the color map or diffuse map into the color map slot of the albedo module, and the mask 1 map into the slot below the color map in the albedo module as well. Lastly, load the mask 2 map into the proper slot in the reflection module. So that looks pretty good now. I've set up the rest of the materials for this character beforehand, so I just have to apply them to the appropriate mesh chunks. It's really easy to drag and drop materials in Toolbag 2. That should cover it for most standard materials, though we do support some more advanced functions which are required for certain characters, such as custom diffuse lighting warps. Once you're happy with the way that everything looks, you'll want to tweak your lighting, set up a nice camera angle with some cool post effects, depth of field, all that sort of stuff. I've done that here, so I'll just switch over to the final shot, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the Dota 2 shader for Marmoset Toolbag 2, which we will be releasing with the 2.03 update, which should be out pretty soon now. Be sure to check out marmoset.co for more tutorials and information about Toolbag and SkyShop. This has been Joe Wilson for Marmoset. Thanks for watching.